What's up guys, my name is Mukherjee. Today we are going to see what is inside a motor. You can just take a standard DC motor like this one. If you find a DC motor in your house which is broken, these metal parts, just use that one, because if you have a working one which is perfectly fine, it works perfectly, do not pry it open. Today what I'm going to show you is how to pry what is inside a motor and how it works. So first you will be needing like this screwdriver. You can take any screwdriver, and then you will be seeing this little hooks on both of the sides. So what you need to do is take this screwdriver, and then those metal parts should open. If it's not working, just wait. To just like, if you want, if it's not working, you can take this point edge one like this. So now you go here, and then you'll start doing it as much as you can. Yeah, so see guys, it has opened a little bit. Now for the other side you can do it, and then after that both of the sides must be open. If it's like this, it will still not open. So you just take that and open it fully, and then it will open like that. And now you just see this. These two parts, get it? These two parts are the wires mainly right there. See, those two things are actually connected to that big rod right there. So I'll show you how to take it out. You just take this. It's pretty simple. Try not to just touch this part right here. Try not to touch that part. Just touch the tip. Or you can just push it by this and just come out. So after you take that out, this is what you will find. So there's a color range. So like, if it's like this yellow, it will go medium speed. If it's green, it will go slow speed. And if it's red, it will go like ultra speed, full speed will go. So if you are lucky enough, you might find this thing. So how this works, you take this metal thing, when you find it, when you take this out, you see two magnets on the sides. Those magnets create energy. When this spins, it will create energy to make this spin faster and faster every time. So just a simple thing. If you know who made the first motor in this whole world, just comment down below. And if you don't have a good motor, if you have a good motor and you want and you just mistakenly opened it, now I'll show you how to close it. So first you have to see which place you have to put. The long side is the main side and the short side is the back side. So what you do is take this, and then when you put it inside, you will feel like it's touching the magnets. The magnets are pulling the metal. So that's how it creates energy. So when you have to put it inside and try to aim and put it inside like that. And now you'll see it's like super duper close to the magnets. So I can't show you how it actually spins inside because it needs this part. So I'm just going to show you. If this video gets 100 subscribers, I will show you how to make this work and see inside. I'll show you. If this video gets 100 subscribers. So if it's broken, the first step you will do that, and then if you put it upside down, still it will work, but it will be the wrong way. So you have to keep it like this and you have to put the thing to the hole, and then you just take the screwdriver and then push the metal parts in. This might be a little bit hard for you,